So I just finished up an appointment, and I conveniently parked next to Emporium Antiques in Frederick, which I've only been to once, and it was years ago. I kind of forgot about it, so I'm gonna go in and check it out before I head to Old Glory. Well, that's kind of cool. Russian bowl, 15 bucks. I think I'm gonna get that. I don't remember it being like this. Look at that, that's so cool, dagger. But yeah, this kind of feels like a win. Okay, but whoa, look at that. Look at that bird thing. Ukrainian vase. That's very cool. And then look at that. That's really neat too. It's got a sticker underneath. It's got its horn chipped and a really nice paperweight. Got our first sign of Bakelite, 65. Well, look at here. Nice paperweight. That one with the butterfly is cool, but it's a little cloudy. It looks cloudier in person than it does on the camera too. That's a cool vase in the back. Ooh, look at that one. It's not even really my style. I just love the kind of like luster. I'm having a hard time focusing. There it is. Check out this cat. Kind of looks like it's been... Can't tell if that's made to look older than it is. I'm not sure because of the felt bottom. That kind of throws me off a little. Look at that. Bleak crystal. That's cool. Oh, Brock. I was just joking with my friend about how I can never pronounce it. Look at that, like, inkwell down there. That's beautiful. Wow. 95 for the set. That doesn't seem that crazy either. I don't remember the prices being like this. Look at this turquoise and silver jewelry. Whoa. Damn, look at how pretty that oil painting is. It's amazing. Dude, check out this horse. How cool. I feel like they're usually more expensive than that. I could be making that up though. Yo, what? 45 on the telephone girl holder. But what's going on with the Holt Howard back here? Devar Pixie, like Holt Howard, there you go. Ear Nick, 120. And that one's 115. Wow, those are spectacular. Man. I feel like I should have been coming here sooner. And the horse. Those are really beautiful. The Mosser question mark goblet. I love the hand painting on those. Those are so romantic. Hey, this is kind of cool. Bischoff. Yellow hat. Not my favorite color. Look at this. Check box. I love the Czechoslovakian style. All right, well, let's check out this huge area. I remember this place was bigger than I thought it was. That's neat. Is that Polish? Swiss. Chinese turquoise. I think those are so neat. I wish they were cats, though. And look at that. Trinket box made by Samson of Paris. Of course I like it. It's French. How cool is this giant bronze ballerina sculpture? Wow, look at the lamp, too. They got some really unique stuff in here. Oh, I like what's happening in this booth. What's down here? Look at the little perfume bottle. I love the crown tops. Look at the, oh my gosh, the dancer one. Well, those are freaking rad. Wow. They're like, the way the lines are done are way neat in person. Is that a little Edward Mobley cat I see? How much is it gonna be though? That's the question. $8. Sold. Wow, that's awesome. I love this, what looks to be like a powder box. Look, checkerboard hearts. And then here, This is really neat pottery. Looks like 22 each, which is probably about retail on that. Oh my gosh, a little sugar cat in a chair. Well, I guess it's not the sugar trim, but still. How much is that one? It's kind of hard to see, honestly. What? The wiener dog? That red polka dot bow tie poodle? Well, that one's 12, so I'm going to assume that one's probably around 12 too. I'm still going to check it out though. Kilroy was here. Oh my gosh. Come 7. Look, it's got little dice in it. More cats. Still getting ready for my cat sale. 22. Can't do anything with that. Look at this. Hungarian angel. How sweet. She's got a really interesting look to her. Dude. Lalique hedgehog? Tell me that's not a Lalique frog. Oh my gosh, it is 180. That thing is freaking rad. Whoa. All items 20% off. This is a really neat booth. What's this? Pocket watch box. Not what I thought at all. A little Italian. Huh. Seahorse. Yeah, you kind of got to pay attention in this booth, don't you? Turtle box. Limoges turtle. How cool. I'm still kind of messing around in this booth. Look at these perfume bottles. Wait, what? Dude, what? $15 and 20% off? Is that for real? Yes, please. Dude, check out this one. That is gorgeous. Victorian painted perfume bottle. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Yeah, I'm having fun here. Wow. Gotta add more time to my parking. And then the green one. I'm not crazy about that. It's got a lot of residue in it. Let's see. This one's only 15. Cobalt cut to clear. Dude, what? That comes to like $12 too. That's insane. What else is... Look, there's the French crystal poodle. How much is that? Dude, what? $8? Yes. I can never pronounce it. Serves Severe's crystal. I mean, come on. What else do we have in here? I'm probably blocking the camera with the squeak toy. I'm like, I wasn't prepared to do all this, honestly. I was just like wandering in. I was like, maybe I should bring my camera just in case. Look at what this weird thing is. And what it... Wait a minute. Hold on. Mackenzie Childs. That's what I thought. Mackenzie Childs, $20 and 20% off. Dude, what is happening right now? This is like untouched. That dragon is super cool, but it's also $600. Wow, those like gecko thingies. Wow. Oh my gosh. Is this her end? Oh my gosh. How cool. Yeah, her end. Look at that perfume bottle. Oh my gosh, with the cut animals in it. That one's $300 though. Green glass owl. Dude, this is epic. What's in this case? Now I'm like really into this booth. It's just like the prices are so random. All right, well, I took that stuff up to the front. Now, what is this? Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. No wonder, again, French. Oh, look at that. Ken and Ingrid vase, $400. Whatever that weird pottery giraffe is. Todd Werner? That's really weird too, isn't it? $50. I don't know anything about that. It's got a really interesting look. There's a cat and a tiger. The cat, obviously, I mean, a tiger, a giraffe. Like, everything in this case is kind of calling me. I mean, freaking toad, for goodness sake. I just looked up Todd. It's Warner, actually. The prices were kind of all over the place. Anywhere between 50 and 100, like $90 for the same thing. Some were listed higher, but the prices are kind of all over the place, which makes me nervous to invest. Although I kind of want to take a look at it anyway. Oh my gosh, wait, what is this fox over here? Check this thing out. Fox head signed. Well, what? That looks like it could be something special. All right, I'm just gonna bite the bullet and get a key to this thing. Ugh, I'm gonna keep looking. I'm not ready to bite the bullet with keys yet. Who knows what else I'm gonna find over here. I'm gonna take a walk. I need to remove myself. I'm getting too close to that. This face is beautiful. I love the little bathing beauty, but she's at 39 and that's not the most refined version. Look at that perfume bottle. I believe that to be Iris as well. Let's see. Wow, there's some really pretty stuff in here. This little nook looks like trouble. 25 on that basket. Look at this. This is kind of awesome. Pink ruffled edge bowl, $17.50. You know, I kind of can't say no to that color. Looks like Rosaline. And then it's got this kind of like weird, ugly mud color inside, which I'm kind of into, quite frank. That's really pretty. I've had a couple things like this recently. I'm really intrigued. I still might pick that up, but I'm really intrigued to look in their case here. What are bells going? I feel like this is where you find something special. Look at that owl back there. I remember this. They have like a small collection. Well, not that small a collection. I have a small collection of wedding cake toppers. And I remember this case, looking through it, getting so excited. My favorite is actually those right there. The hand-painted bride and groom, $50 firm. Whoa, what's happening here? Blown glass hat. Those are neat. Talk about a paperweight. Look at that giant thing. This is a fun looking booth. The thing that catches my attention most are actually these two raccoons here. They're signed. Huh. I think maybe they're Pigeon Forge. Could have made that up. They kind of look like Pigeon Forge. Really pretty brooches. This is a nice collection of them too. They look good together. It's been a while since I bought and sold metal enamel. Wow, look at that. It almost looks like Hager, though. I know it's not in the back. Whoa, check those out. Murano dancers. They're fabulous. Man. I love that color, too. I feel like I've only seen them with like a cobalt and a pink. That's really neat. Very spendy. Oh man, I love that little ice cream parlor chair. How neat are those fish tumblers? $15 each. I would totally have those in my house if I needed more glasses. Let's see, man, they got some, look at those Art Deco squirrel bookends. Those are phenomenal too. I've never seen those, and I love the teal color on them. All right, well, before I check out, I decided to come back to this case one last time. I did put that perfume bottle back. I was kind of on the fence about it. I took the rest, though. It's just they have such neat stuff here. I think this might be... Is this what I think it is? Check green base. I feel like Blanco makes one that has, like, the kind of raspberry look on it. But, not really my style. Yeah, since I found so much good stuff in here and the prices are kind of hit or miss, I thought it would be fun to give it one more look. Wow, those little compacts, those are sweet. Yeah, that perfume bottle is really everything. I'm gonna see what it says on the bottom. It's definitely signed. Kind of curious, honestly. I've actually never seen the Parent snake. That is very neat. Oh my gosh, I thought that skiing kid was eating banana at first. Well, that was refreshing. I spent $75 in there. I got amazing perfume bottles. I got Mackenzie Childs. I got a freaking Russian bowl. I got Crystal Poodle. I'm ready to go to Old Glory and see what happens next.